Today we'll show you how to fix your stockage has a hard or it's full. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first go now to search and put here a settings like this, and go to click to settings and go now to system and go now to stockage. Okay, like this, and here you will find application install official template other. You will find a much have hard full applications. Okay, just now we will go to recommendation this, and here we have in decor bell like when now delete like this guys. Here, 1 second to show you. In here in here we have a 12 giga. Okay guys, gigabyte. Just we need like this and this and this, netwage a 20 gigabyte. Okay guys, just click and delete all of them. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.